And we're back with another knife review. Today we're doing the Gerber Straightlace. This is the box it comes in. I have them out and ready to go. These are both slip joints with an old style look to them. We'll go over the specs and we'll tell you, show you how they cut. We'll start off by telling you this is a blue or green anodized aluminum handle. They have sheepsfoot blades, slip joint. It's kind of what you would call the modern slip joint. It has a stop on it. They have reversible tip up pocket clips. So normally on a slip joint you're not going to find a pocket clip, but this one not only has a pocket clip, it's reversible, and it has a lanyard hole, which you would never find on an old school slip joint. The knife is 6.9 inches overall, so it leaves you a lot of room to get your hand on there, as you can see. I mentioned that it uses a sheepsfoot blade. It's almost 3 inches long. I believe it's like 2.9. The handle is 4 inches, making up your 6.9 inches overall. Of course, it is ambidextrous, left or right-handed tip-up carry. Manual opening with a nail nick. This would be a great little backup pocket carry, you know, for your cardboard box warriors. Has a stainless steel liner. We'll go ahead and get some material out. Let's see how these little babies cut. They both use 7CR17 MOV steel. So an economy steel, but that's kind of what you find on a pocket knife nowadays. Most pocket knives will have 8CR17 or 7CR17 or 440A or 440C. You'll find those on pocket knives because you don't really need the strength. You're not going to be really working this knife. It'll just be doing cutting, and this knife will stay sharp, as most 7CR17 knives will. We'll get some paracord here. I have no worries that we're going to cut right through that. One thing you always notice about these smaller blades is that they are sharp. I mean, they cut right through the paracord without pretty much any resistance. And the same thing will happen, on the cardboard. As you can see, we'll set it down here and we'll try to use it for like a precision cut. And you can see it cuts right through. We won't do any stabbing cuts since it is a slip joint. That would be kind of silly. And it doesn't really have a point on it to cut with. I believe these are about $34 on our website. So a nice little value, especially for a Gerber. So once again, almost 7 inches overall, 4 inches on the handle, pocket clip and lanyard hole with this modern style slip joint knife. Nice little backup carry, right or left hand obviously. As you can see, it snaps nicely, will fit in the pocket nicely. Has a very large ferro nail nick. For you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We do tons of knife reviews. We do our 1-minute quick views where we'll show you a knife, what it looks like, how it operates in less than a minute. And then we also do our weekly show, which if you like knives and like humor, you would not want to miss. So this is the Gerber Straightlace. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.